Question 1. Which one of the following is connected with Blue Water Policy? A. De Almeida. B. Albuquerque. C. Dipoleix. D. Robert Clive. Correct answer is A. De Almeida. Question 2. Who repealed the Vernacular Press Act in 1881? A. Lord Lytton. B. Lord Ripon. C. Lord Dufferin. D. Lord Lansdowne. Correct answer is B. Lord Ripon. Question 3. Who told, destruction is the best method of dealing with the foreign clothes? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Chittaranjan Das. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 4. Tinkatia system in Champaran meant A. Cultivation of indigo on the 3/20th area of land. B. Cultivation of indigo on the 3/19th area of land. C. Cultivation of indigo on the 3/18th area of land. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Cultivation of indigo on the 3/20th area of land. Question 5. Which operation was started by British government to arrest the leaders of Quit India movement? A. Operation Reader Paste. B. Operation Zero Hour. C. Operation Thunderbolt. D. Operation Blue Star. Correct answer is B. Operation Zero Hour. Question 6. Who was known as Martin Luther of India or Hinduism? A. Swami Vivekanand. B. Swami Shraddha. C. M. N. Roy. D. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Correct answer is D. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question 7. Who was the founder of Servant of India Society? A. M. G. Ranade. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. B. G. Tilak. D. G. K. Gokhale. Correct answer is D. G. K. Gokhale. Question 8. Who is considered as prophet of Indian nationalism? A. Gandhi. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Rajaram Mohan Roy. D. Dayanand Saraswati. Correct answer is C. Rajaram Mohan Roy. Question 9. Who was the author of History of British India? A. James Mill. B. V. A. Smith. C. V. D. Savarkar. D. R. C. Majumdar. Correct answer is A. James Mill. Question 10. New India and Commonwealth newspaper were associated with A. R. C. Dutt. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. M. N. Roy. D. Annie Besant. Correct answer is D. Annie Besant. Question 11. The official historian of India's freedom movement was A. R. C. Majumdar. B. Tarachand. C. V. D. Savarkar. D. S. N. Sen. Correct answer is B. Tarachand. Question 12. Who among the following is regarded as uncrowned King of India? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B. G. K. Gokhale. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Dadabhai Nauroji. Correct answer is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question 13. India Divided is written by A. M. N. Roy. B. Arbindo Ghosh. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. M. A. Jinnah. Correct answer is C. Rajendra Prasad. Question 14. First woman delegate to address the Inc. A. Kadambini Ganguly. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Annie Besant. D. Savitribai Ul. Correct answer is A. Kadambini Ganguly. Question 15. Which of the following was referred to as a post-dated check by Gandhi? A. Government of India Act 1935. B. Government of India Act 1919. C. Cripps Proposal. D. August Proposal. Correct answer is C. Cripps Proposal. Question 16. The Balkan Plan for Fragmentation of India was the brainchild of A. M. A. Jinnah. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. V. P. Menon. D. Winston Churchill. Correct answer is B. Lord Mountbatten. Question 17. Author of India after Gandhi. A. Apanda Singh. B. Bipin Chandra. C. Ramachandra Guha. D. Satish Chandra. Correct answer is C. Ramachandra Guha. Question 18. Who is regarded as the conscience keeper of Gandhiji? A. Raja Gopalachari. B. Mahadev Desai. C. G. K. Gokhale. D. Edulal Yajnik. Correct answer is A. Rajagopalachari. Question 19. Individual Satyagraha was also known as A. Atmaya Shakti Satyagraha. B. Flag Satyagraha. C. Delhi Chalo Satyagraha. D. Mahad Satyagraha. Correct answer is C. Delhi Chalo Satyagraha. Question 20. The book India's Untouchability Question, published in 1933, was written by A. Gopal H. Deshmukh. B. Gopal B. Valinga. C. Vittal R. Shinde. D. Gopal G. Agarkar. Correct answer is C. Vittal R. Shinde. Question 21. Who among the Urdu poets was invited to second and third round table conference? A. Faz Ahmad. B. Josh Malihabadi. C. Muhammad Iqbal. D. Firaq Gorakhpuri. Correct answer is C. Muhammad Iqbal. Question 22. The call back to Vedas was given by A. Swami Vivekanand. B. Dayanand Saraswati. C. Arbindo Ghosh. D. Vishnu Shastri Pandit. Correct answer is B. Dayanand Saraswati. Question 23. Founder of Deccan Educational Society. A. Justice Ranade. B. Firoz Shah Metra. C. G. K. Gokhale. D. B. G. Tilak. Correct answer is D. B. G. Tilak. Question 24. Who made this statement? Kings are made for public. Public is not made for the king. A. Surendranath Banerjee. B. R. C. Dutt. C. Dadabhai Nauroji. D. Gokhale. Correct answer is C. Dadabhai Nauroji. Question 25. Match the following and choose the correct answer. Battle period. A. Battle of Plassey. 1. Jan. 22, 1760. B. Battle of Amber. 2. OCT. 22, 1764. C. Battle of Buxar. 3.1749. D. Battle of Wandivash. 4. June. 23, 1757. A. B. C. D. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 1, 2, 4, 3. C. 2, 1, 3, 4. D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Question 26. Arrange the following in chronological order. A. August offer. B. Cabinet mission plan. C. Cripps mission plan. D. Wavell plan. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 1, 3, 4, 2. C. 4, 3, 2, 1. D. 3, 4, 1, 2. Correct answer is B. 1, 3, 4, 2. Question 27. What was the Privy Purse in the context of the history of modern India? A. A purse given privately by one organization to another. B. A purse given by Government of India to dignitaries for services rendered. C. A grant given by Government of India to erstwhile Prince of India. D. A gift given by erstwhile Prince to Government of India. Correct answer is C. A grant given by Government of India to erstwhile Prince of India. Question 28. The doctrine of non-violence and civil disobedience associated with Mahatma Gandhi were influenced by the work of A. Churchill, Irvin, Tolstoy. B. Ruskin, Tolstoy, Thoreau. C. Thoreau, Hume, Shaw. D. Cripps, Tolstoy, Howells. Correct answer is B. Ruskin, Tolstoy, Thoreau. Question 29. Match List 1 and List 2 and select the correct answer from the codes. List 1 Session of Congress. List 2 President. A. First Session 1. George Yule. B. Second Session 2. Badruddin Taibji. C. Third Session 3. Dadabhai Naoroji. D. Fourth Session 4. W. C. Banerjee. Codes. A. B. C. D. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 1, 3, 4. C. 4, 3, 2, 1. D. 4, 3, 1, 2. Correct answer is C. 4, 3, 2, 1. Question 30. Match the name of the authors with their books. Author book. A. S. N. Banerjee 1. A Nation in Making. B. Dadabhai Naoroji 2. Gita Rahasya. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 3. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. D. Bankim Chandra 4. Anand Math. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 1, 3, 2, 4. C. 4, 3, 2, 1. D. 1, 2, 4, 3. Correct answer is B. 1, 3, 2, 4. Question 31. Modern Encroachments on the Ancient Rights of Female was written by A. Gokhale. B. S. C. Bose. C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. D. Henry Vivan D'Arroyo. Correct answer is C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Please subscribe to learn more.